Hi guys, Jen here. So today I'm teaming up with my homie Katie Q because Nina on Facebook asked the two of us to make pan cookies without using an oven. So I'm going to show you how to make skillet cookies, and on Katie's channel she's going to show y'all how to make a skillet brownie. Now it may sound weird to make these on the stovetop, but it's a great alternative if it's too freaking hot to bake or you don't even have an oven. Now the first step is to make your favorite cookie dough. I'm making a simple chocolate chip cookie dough by using softened butter, white and brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, salt, and of course chocolate chips. Then just roll your dough into small balls and place them on a greased skillet on medium-low heat. Then pat them down a little bit, and it's best if done with clean fingers. Now cover the pan for about 8 minutes, then flip them over and cook for about 5 minutes more, then place them on a plate to cool. Now they may seem super soft at first, but just like regular cookies, let them cool down and they'll harden up. Thanks Nina for your request, these were so fun to make. I hope you guys give this a try, and also be sure to check out Katie's video on how to make skillet cookies. For this recipe and more, be sure to visit justylife.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! There's my cookie mother dance.